How to create a bootable use in Windows 10. First, take an empty USB drive with at least 8 GB of space. Creating a bootable USB drive for Windows 10 is something all users should do. It's really easy and should be done before you encounter any problems. Doing this will save you the time and hassle when you need a clean install of Windows. Step 1. Click the link provided in the description and download Create Windows 10 Media. Step 2. Launch the application All Accept All Terms. Step 3. Select Upgrade this PC now. Step 4. Select Language, Edition, and Buy. Step 5. Select Flash Drive and click Next. Step 6. Choose the file. Step 7. Your flash drive is ready. Install, plug in the USB drive and boot up your PC. If it fails to boot to your USB drive, go into BIOS and change the boot drive to your USB drive. Check with manufacturer/manual for instructions to enter the BIOS.